Okay, so here I'm going to start this extension, magIA, start, authorization required, okay. Here gonna show the client ID, starts with 77, ends with 53, that is the same one here on the console, starts with 77, finish with 53. I'm going to select my account, isn't verified yet, go to MagSafe, authorize that, and now this is the consent screen. I need to view and manage spreadsheets, only the one that has been installed in, connect to external service because of the OpenAI API, allow this application to run when you are not present, and display and run third-party apps, that is the sidebar. So I'm gonna allow it. Now is everything okay? Coming back extensions, magIA, start. Here I have already have some data to be serve as example. I'm going to say create a new analysis. In save the reports, I'm going to select sheet 1. That is the name of the sheet, so sheet 1 selected. The name of my analysis will be any name that I want. Going to start conversation. And when I start conversation, here is the chat interface. I can ask anything like what campaign has the most investment, for example. And this app is made for Brazilian users, so it's all in Portuguese. But if I ask in English, the answer will be most likely in English as well. So let me see, is generate response. So here the OpenAI API answered in English as well. So the one which has the most investment is engajamento ongoing with 42 reais. That is this campaign right here. So this is the use of my app. Only this usability of insights and the current size already saved. So write this.